It looks like parang marami ka ritong, as in ang dami, 'no? Nakita tayo rito ng flashes, 'no, ng mga nights here for you. Parang sobrang daming gabi mo na naranasan yung hindi ka nakatulog ng maayos, 'no? Hindi dahil may insomnia ka, kundi dahil meron ditong mga gumugulo sa'yo at posibleng naapektuhan ka rito ng sobra, 'no? Lalo na yung emosyon, 'no? Emosyon yung pinaka nakikita natin 'no, na nakapalibot dito 'no, and it's somehow gloomy. So whatever that is, okay? This is something here that you're dealing with at parang medyo matagal na. So let us see if we can get to know kung maaalis ba yan sa inyo or ano ba ang sitwasyon na inyong kinahaharap with that particular message that we've got. Let us see. Because all you want is peace, calmness, and serenity. Sino ba namang may ayaw nun? Everybody wants that. Diba? Hmm. It's okay, mga babes. Kanta na. It's okay. So, ilatag ko muna lahat ng energies na bago tayo mag-start digging more dito sa ating reading for you guys. Heart or the center of the reading is the High Priestess Tarot. Of course. Bottom of the deck, Eight of Wands. Yeah, so you look at that. See? Eight of Wands, World card energy, and the Three of Coins. So, hey there mga my loves collective. Hi sa mga new subscribers. Ako po si Yan, welcome. At sa mga returning viewers, thank you po sa inyong walang sawang suporta. So kung hindi niyo pa po nalalaman, meron po tayong main channel, ang The High Priestess Tarot. Kaya kung hindi niyo pa na-try na makatambay dyan, no, or you just want to check out that channel, ang link ay nasa ating description box. At sa mga nandiyan na at nandito din, maraming salamat. Pero syempre, just take only what resonates mga babes. At kung hindi mag-resonate, leave the messages no, behind kasi maaring ito ay baka para sa iba. So yun yung mga babes na wala din po tayo ditong gender. Babae, lalaki, LGBT, lahat kayo welcome. Pwede nyo rin pong pagpalit-palitin yung mga roles kung gusto ninyo since this is general reading. And at the end of the day, na palagi po kayong may free will na malaya nyong gamitin anytime, anywhere. Wala rin po tayong age, walang skin color, wala ring race, wala rin dito na background, religion, no? At wala rin dito mga babes na height difference. Ganun po sa energy readings. So, yun nga, nakikita ko dito, no, na parang kayo ito, no, na struggle is real. Yan, no? Which is totally true. Okay? At saka, without any judgment, your feelings are all valid, sweethearts. Okay? So, nakita ko dito that you're really trying your best for the situation here. And what kind of situation is that, Miss Yan? Well, I can see Strength card energy, Eight of Swords, Knight of Swords, okay? Six of Swords energy. Nakita ko dito na parang this is you, parang lately, or sabi ko nga sa inyo, timeless ito na pwedeng nangyari na sa iba, nangyari ngayon sa kasalukuyan, or sa iba mangyari pa lang, no? So, nakita kita dito na maaaring i-check mo, or mag-check ka rito, no? ng iyong sarili, no? In what type of situation, Miss Yan? You will check something with your feelings. Kung affected ka pa, kung may feelings ka pa with someone. So, nakikita ko dito na posibleng ito ay others ay sadyain ninyo or pwede naman mga babes na like sadyain, gagawin nyo talaga na parang ganun. I-check nyo talaga na parang ganun. Pwedeng tingnan nyo ulit yung kanyang picture kung meron pa kayong photos, no, ng person na yun, ng ex ninyo. Yan, no. So, purposely, no, pwedeng tingnan nyo yun kasi gusto ninyong alamin, no, kung may feelings pa kayo for your ex or wala na, no. Yung iba naman, possible na hindi nyo sadyain na tingnan yung mga social medias nila or tingnan yung mga photos nila if meron pa kayong nakasave dyan sa inyong gallery, no, or puntahan sila in person, tanawin sa malayo, no, just to check, diba? If may feelings pa kayo sa kanya or wala na. Sadyain niyo man ito or hindi, nakikita ko rito that you will find out that Eight of Swords energy, Six of Swords right here, na Queen of Cups, you still have remaining feelings para sa iyong ex, no? And the struggle is real because this is you. Parang ikaw to na sinasabi mo sa sarili mo after seeing your ex once again or after seeing his or her photos again, no? Nakikita ko dito na parang may feelings pa pala ako sa kanya. Pero hindi pwede. Parang ande, no? Parang kayo to, no, na parang sinasabi niyo sa sarili ninyo, these feelings is not something na dapat ko pang ilaban. Yan. So, parang in short, you acknowledge the fact that you still have feelings for your ex, but this is you. You are deciding, okay, na mag-move on pa rin. Kaya ko to. Okay? Maybe this is you. After mong makita yung picture niya or after mong makita yung photos niya sa social media or after mo siyang makita sa di kalayuan, no? After checking, no, kung may feelings ka pa sa kanya, pwedeng na-realize mo rito, no, na kayo ito na hindi pa pala ako nakaka-move on sa kanya. Pero okay lang, yan, no? Ten of Swords energy, um, seven, no, is the powerful number of spiritual world, no, which is yun yung pinaka main surroundings ng the high priestess, no. So meaning to say, this is you acknowledge the fact na may feelings ka pa with your person and you acknowledge the fact that ikaw ito, no, na hindi ka pa nakaka-move on talaga totally sa kanya, no, pero ikaw ito na okay lang yan, kaya ko to, makaka-move on din ako sa kanya. Yan. So, this is you, okay, na parang nilalabanan mo tong remaining feelings mo for your person right here or for your ex because you know na hindi ito yung dapat na ilaban mo or hindi ito yung dapat na iporso mo. So, nakikita ko dito na mas mag-work hard ka ngayon, no, in listening, no, with the spiritual messages everywhere. Okay? Kasi it looks like this is you're getting yung mga mensahe ni universe sa'yo, no, about this person here na may natitira ka pang feelings. Okay? This is you're listening here with your intuition, no, with your higher self, no, na kayo ito, no, na binibigyan kayo rito ng signals ni universe not to go back with your ex-person again. Okay? So, nakita ko dito, no, na you are also praying for your angels and guides dito, no, na patnubayan kayo at tulungan kayong makamove on sa tao na to. Naway magkaroon ng mga sitwasyon na sana in favor sa akin, parang ganun yung panalangin ninyo, no, na makatulong upang makalimutan ko na ng tuluyan ang taong ito. Yan. Pero kayo ito, no, na okay lang kahit na may natitira pa akong feelings para sa kanya. Okay lang kahit na hindi pa ako nakaka-move on sa kanya. Makaka-move on pa rin ako. Yan, no? Basta pagpapatuloy ko lang 8 of coins right here, no? ang pakikinig ko. Because the Queen of Cups energy is also the energy of being intuitive, no? So, yung iba sa inyo doesn't have to be na kailangan ninyo maging energy reader or kailangan ninyo maging light worker or empath, no? Hindi, no? You just need to tap into your senses, all of your senses, buksan mo lahat yan, no? And also, pagbukas yan, ibig sabihin, aware ka kasi rito, no? Sa importansya mo. Once na makita mo yung self-worth mo, okay, yun na yung pag-connect mo with the spiritual world, no? Kaya nga lagi ko sinasabi sa inyo rito, lalo na dun sa mga matatagal nang nandito, palagi ko sinasabi, wala kayong dapat pagkatiwalaan, no, kundi yung sarili ninyo. Kasi yung sarili lang ninyo yung makakaagapay at makakasama ninyo sa dulo, 'di ba? So, ibig lamang sabihin nito, pwede kayong magmahal, pwede kayong mag-care for other people, pwede kayong tumulong at pwede rin kayo rito, no, na makipag kaibigan, makipagkilala at magmahal, no? Pero, mas higit mong mahalin yung sarili mo. Mas higit mo rito na pagkatiwalaan ang sarili mo. Yan, no? Kasi, ang mga tao, no, lalo na kung reading mo ito, no, ang mga tao sa paligid mo ay parang mga fox, mga madudugas, madadaya. Nakita rin ako dito ng energy na yung mga taong yan ay either malalapit pa sa buhay mo at yung iba nasa loob ng tahanan ninyo. In short, kapamilya, kamag-anak, pa nga. Kaya naman, lagi kayo rito mga babes, no, na ibigay ninyo yung lahat na pangangailangan ng sarili ninyo. Okay? Wala kayo dito dapat bigyan ng higit na atensyon kundi ang sarili ninyo. Hindi yun pagiging makasarili, kundi yun ay isang strategiya, no, kung paano talaga mag-deal sa buhay or sa life. Okay? Do not trust anyone. Okay? Because even the closest to you can be your worst enemy. Okay? Remember that. So with this Two of Wands energy, Four of Swords right here, Eight of Cups, nakita ko rito na kahit na ganito nagkakaroon ka ng struggle dito with your ex-person, yung iba matagal na kayo ritong hiwalay, nakita ko yung iba dito, parang dekada yung tinagal ng inyong relasyon or almost malapit nang maging ganon. Pwedeng mga taon, let us say 2 years, no? 2 years to 10 years, mga ganyan. Yung iba talagang nasanay kayong kasama itong ex ninyo before, no? Kaya medyo nahihirapan kayo mag-move on. Eh, kahit sana, no? It's okay. Okay lang. Eh? Kasi kaya naman nahihirapan mag-move on yung ibang mga tao because what you feel for that person is hindi biro. You're not joking around. What you feel for that ex of yours, no, is real, genuine, 102% pure love, no? Unfailing kasi yung naging love mo for that person. Others call it unconditional. Diba? What you showed to that person, your care, okay? How much that person means to you, okay? Others of you, you gave up everything for that person here, but however, Ten of Swords is definitely a sign of betrayal. Traidor, no? This person here broke your heart here. This person here failed you in so many ways. Okay? And do not blame yourself just because you can't move on from someone who did this betrayal or pagta-traidor sa'yo. Okay? It's just that you gave your all with someone who do not deserve it. Okay? But this is you. You're not feeling this type of energy na mahina. Hindi ko na yan nakikita sa'yo because I'm seeing you getting stronger and stronger every day. Yan, araw-araw, lumalakas ka. And araw-araw, gumagawa ka ng paraan para makalaya or mapalaya ang iyong sarili. Okay? So, kung natuklasan mo man kamakailan or natuklasan mo lang kahapon o ngayon lang, no? Kunyari pagkatapos ng reading na 'to 'no, triny mo lang na tingnan 'no, kung ano yung mararamdaman mo na 'pag tiningnan mo ulit yung larawan ng person na nakarelasyon mo, your ex 'no. If you feel some kind of hurt na parang may kirot pa rin sa heart mo 'no, whether it's something here na parang you still miss that person, you still love that person 'no, or this is you na parang, may energy dito na parang may pagkagusto kang makipagbalikan with that person, no, or whatever that is. Okay? Whether that is missing him or her, loving him or her pa rin, or kayo ito no, na parang nasasaktan doon sa kanya ritong betrayal, ano man yan, your feelings are all valid. And you acknowledge all of those now. Dati kasi medyo nahihirapan kang tanggapin yun from the looks of it. Pero ngayon, iba ka na. Nakita ko rito na parang this is you, no? Parang tinatap mo yung shoulder mo, no? You're tapping your shoulder na it's okay. Nasasaktan man ako ngayon, makaka-move on din ako. Yan, no? Parang ikaw 'to na tinatap mo yung shoulder mo and then you're talking to yourself, no? Parang, yan, okay lang yan, makaka-move on ka rin. Yan, no? Okay? So, talk to yourself like that, no? And little did you know, no, naka-move on ka na one day completely. So with the Eight of Wands energy, World card right here, Three of Pentacles energy, surely, of course, okay, with the outcome, no, positive, no, nakita ko rito, no, na muli ka rito makakapagsimula ulit ng panibagong mundo, ng panibagong chapter sa sarili mo with the World card energy. I'm seeing you smiling big like that. I'm seeing you gaining back your energy sa inyo. Nagiging lively na kayo ulit, nagiging masigla na kayo ulit, nagiging masayahin na kayo ulit, no? This is something here that you wish to happen at hindi ito naging malayong mangyari dahil kahit nag-i-struggle ka ngayon, you keep on moving forward. Yan, no? And with the Three of Pentacles energy, guaranteed. You're gonna build yourself up, okay? You're gonna stand firm once again and you're gonna face the world with a big smile. Like, lahat ng nangyari sa past ay parang naglaho, nag-vanish, no? Sa air. Ganong klase ng energy. You will have that new life right here. And then that Eight of Cups energy, nakita kitang tuluyan ng makaka-walk away sa ganyang sitwasyon. Okay? Long trip man or short trip man yan, you will always get into your destination. Okay? Long trip man, yung dinanas mong pain or matagal man yung pag-move on mo or sa iba, isa man yung maikling trip, long trip, short trip, no, sa dulo, makakarating ka pa rin sa destination at ang destination mo ay ito. See? Wow, what an inspiring message, no, ang nakuha natin for today. So, continue fighting here for your life. Continue fighting here to that new beginning, new journey because you totally deserve it, sweetheart. So again, I'm Yan. Thank you so much for your time here, babe. I really do appreciate it so much from the bottom of my heart. Sarang hiyo, love in light. Annyeong.